Yo, what is going on, guys? Hess here, and I wanted to bring you guys this unboxing video. I already unboxed these because I wanted to see what I ended up getting. Super random drop that ended up happening. So this happened from a restock. From the restock, there was a secret link in an email that went out to people, and I just happened to click and read through everything, and clicked the link, and it brought me to a page that said that these shoes were sold out. But when I actually went into the page, they weren't sold out, and you could actually check out some of those things. So I did, and I was thinking, is this a joke? Like, I feel like this is going to backfire on me or something. But I was able to check out two different pairs, and they shipped, and here they are. So really crazy sneakers and stuff. Love what they're doing. It makes me pay attention to those emails when I get them. Definitely worth signing up on their raffles and stuff, because they do their raffles all the time. Definitely one of those sites that I'm really, really loving, and they ship super fast. So that being said, we'll show you guys the pairs. First things first. Here we go first, because this is the one that is more recent, and the sizes are all over the place, unfortunately, on what I picked up. But this is the Solar Hue NMD, and I ended up picking this up from their site in a size 10. Boom. This colorway here of the Pharrell NMD, or the Pharrell Solar Hues, I guess they're calling them, or they were originally called the Afro Pack. They ended up changing them up. But pretty crazy looking pair of sneakers, and it looks like the Pharrell Human Race, so I'm not sure why they decided to change the name from Human Race to Solar Hue, but they did change the name, and the upper print is obviously way different. But the other thing that they changed up completely on the shoe, at least as far as I know from the ones that I've seen, is the soles. They went with a different trail type sole, but different than the other ones that I have. So odd. I'm not sure necessarily why. And if you guys want to see a comparison video between these and some of the other Human Races that maybe you see like back there, leave a comment and let me know, and I'll do a comparison between the three different soles that they have on these shoes. But this is the one that I ended up getting. But from what I understand, they're Swahili words for forever forward, and that's what they spell with that alphanumeric text over the front. The other two pairs that ended up releasing say Motherland and Empower and Inspire. But these were definitely hit and miss, it seems like, amongst the consumers out there, because they were selling out every time they restock, but they restock so many times that people are just like, why are these restocked? You know, they're just not selling out. 250 is definitely the main reason why this is a tough sell, because you get fundamentally the same stuff as you get on any other pair of Adidas Boost shoes. You have a prime knit upper, some plastic pieces, and some rubber, and it's like crazy to be paying $250 for this versus like $180 or something else. If this was $180, I feel like the market wouldn't have crashed so much, but that $250 price point is rough. So anyway, I entered the raffle for these originally. I didn't score from the raffle, and then I got the email saying, hey, here's a second chance because they didn't sell out. You can click this link and then go buy these at this moment right now. And that's what I did to get these. But it also said in some part of the email, or you can try clicking here, and it said here that was a hyperlink, and then it had a smiley face on it. And when I went there, that's when these two came to be, and I was able to get these. I was like, what happened? Like, how did that work out? So this is the multicolor pair that happened from the previous release, and they had some pairs sitting out there, and I was able to actually get the multicolor pair this time around. I was just like in shock that I was able to actually make that happen. And actually you could see the comparison between these two and the soles. They're completely different. Like this one's the lines and the like shark fin looking things, and this one's like super crazy more trail looking than these ones, even though these ones say TR for trail. But this is also like a navy, like purpley ink color or whatever. I thought it was black. I couldn't really tell from the pictures. So this one says Body and Earth on the upper. As you can see, prime knit upper, and I love the multicolor look on this one right here. So that was the other one. I was like, this is crazy. Then I also got, so this is the other colorway. It says Cloud and Moon on this one. I actually really like this in hand better than in pictures. This colorway is actually really nice in this blue, and I love the back tab right here is kind of like a peachy sort of pink look salmon color with the laces on here. I like what they did with this one. It looks really cool. So this was the shocker to me though. Like, how did I pull this off? I got all three of these like on the secret link through this email. So I know the retail prices are kind of crazy on these at that $250 price point. So times three, that's $750 for these 3 pairs of shoes. But I am really happy that I was able to get these for retail from an authorized retailer of the Pharrell Human Race products and the Solar Hues. So, but that is why I thought it was dope, because I was able to get them for retail from the secret drop. But did anybody else luck out on any of these ones? I honestly was trying to get the Oreo pair as a primary, just because it was such a like classic and easy going colorway. But the Oreo ones were actually already sold out when I clicked the link, so I totally didn't have a chance on those ones. But happy with what I got. Anyway, that is the video. I just wanted to show you guys. I still owe you guys a review of the other NMDs. Actually, I've never actually done a review of the NMDs at all. If you guys want me to just do an overall generalized review of the Pharrell Human Race and Solar Hue NMD line, I can try to do like a history recap of them or something like that. And I don't know, I just got to figure out something to be able to actually utilize these for a video. And I could do just a detailed review on any of these, but really I want to try to mix it up a little bit. But happy with what went down. Crazy, unexpected, definitely more expensive month than I anticipated, because I didn't anticipate getting any of these. But happy I was able to nonetheless. But anyways, that is a video. These are the 3 pairs that I ended up getting. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching my Pharrell haul pickup, I guess, this video. But subscribe if you guys are new to my channel. I do definitely some unboxing videos on a regular basis on this channel. Sneaker reviews, top 5 videos every week, as well as just some other random customs. So subscribe if you guys are interested. For those people that are already subscribed, thank you for coming back and watching my content. You are much appreciated. But thank you guys again for watching. More videos soon. Peace, guys. More videos soon. Peace, guys.